Welcome back to Mech Tech with Mr. Sullivan, and this is the third video in the TinkerCAD Basics series. We just finished up the Learning the Move lessons, so let's continue to camera controls. Here we go. So in this one, we're going to learn how to move the camera around and check out the different angles that we can view things by using the view cube, which is up here in the corner. So let's go ahead and get started. It looks like we need to reset this one because it glitched on us, and I'm actually kind of glad that it did that because it shows what to do in case it happens to you. So because it didn't load anything, it did not look like this in the beginning, okay? Which, always click on the picture. It will show you what it should look like in the very beginning when you start. So here we go. All right, so in this one, we're going to want to start down here. So just drag anywhere in the view cube and you'll see how it changes your point of view. So you can sit there and move it around and change it. You can also click on these blue highlighted areas and it will jump to that view, which is kind of cool. So if you want to jump straight to a view, that's how you do it. All right. Go ahead and continue to the next step. All right. So what we want to do now is we want to, if you have a mouse like I do, you're going to use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Okay. If you have a touchpad, you can use the same gesture, whatever zoom in and out is on your touchpad. You can also use the zoom in and zoom out buttons over here. All right, next step. So on this one, we want to press and hold the right mouse button while moving your mouse, and it will rotate your camera around. Okay. If you're using your touchpad, you can either press Control and left click, and it will do the same thing. Or if it's set up to select right clicks, to where you can actually do a right click on your mouse pad, that will do the same thing as well. All right. Next step. We're done. So if you were able to move it around and you saw Elvis in the back, then you did it correctly. That's it for this lesson. We're going to move on to creating holes for the next one. Hopefully you learned something. Good luck.